Hi friends, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and today I've got some fantastic tips for working with dates in Excel. Because let's be real, date formatting can be a total pain sometimes, right? In this video, I'll show you how to switch between US and UK date formats, what to do if the date format just won't change. I've been there. And how to use custom date formats to show extra details, like the day of the week, alongside the date stick with me. I'll walk you through it all step by step. Ready? Let's go. Let's say you've got a column of dates currently in US format, that's month, day, year, and you want to switch it to UK format, which is day, month, year. First, select the cells containing those US-style dates. Then you have two options to open the formatting box. Right-click and choose Format Cells, or use the shortcut. Control and the number 1A Format Cells dialog box will pop up. You'll notice it says United States in the Locale Location drop-down. All we have to do is change that. Select United Kingdom instead. Then, from the list of date formats, choose the one you like, maybe 14/3/2012 or 14 March 2012. Click OK, and boom, your dates are now in UK format. You can do the exact same process in reverse too. Let's say your dates are in UK format, and you need them in the US format instead. Select the dates, then press Ctrl+1. In the dialog box, change the locale to United States, pick the US-style date format, and click OK Done. You're now looking at clean, properly formatted US-style dates. Easy, right? Alright, now let's talk about when things don't go to plan. Ever tried to change a date format and nothing happened? Or noticed your dates are aligned to the left of the cells instead of the right? That's your clue. Excel is treating those dates as text, not actual date values. Let's fix that. Trust me, this next trick is a lifesaver. Here's how we get Excel to recognize those text dates. Select the column of dates that won't format properly. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on Text to Columns. A wizard will pop up. Here's what to do. Click Next. On the Next screen, deselect any checkboxes that might be ticked, like Tab. Click Next again. Now select Date, then choose the format your data is currently in. For example, if it's written as day/month/year, choose D,M,Y. That stands for day, month, year. Click Finish, and ta-da! Excel instantly converts those text strings into proper usable dates. Now you can format them however you like using Ctrl+1. Now for something a little extra. What if you want your dates to show the day of the week as well? Maybe for scheduling, or just to make your sheet easier to read. Here's how to do it with custom formatting. Select your dates. Press Ctrl+1. In the Format Cells dialog, go to the Custom category in the Type box, delete what's there, and type D space M space Y. Here's what each part does. The D section gives you the full name of the day, like Wednesday. D shows the day of the month. The M section gives you the full month name. The Y section shows the 4-digit year, so your date will now look like Wednesday, 17th July, 2024. Pretty neat, right? Go ahead, pause the video and try each step as we go. It's the best way to really learn it. And once you get the hang of this, formatting dates won't feel confusing anymore. Let me know in the comments if you've run into tricky date formatting problems before, or if this helped you finally fix one. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's learning Excel too. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy spreadsheeting.